Hello coffee lovers, welcome back to I'm Not a Barista channel. Today, I've got something really special to share with you. MILLAB E01. Let's unbox this and see what it is inside. Just a heads up for everyone watching, TIMEMORE did send us this grinder for review purposes. However, we want to make it clear that we're not receiving any compensation for this video. Everything you hear is our honest opinion, straight from our coffee-loving hearts. Alright, this is the E01 grinder itself. According to the official information, this burr is S2C conical burrs, and it follows TIMEMORE high-end hand grinders spike and cut concept. But let's grind some air first. The whole grinder's really just 4 simple parts. There's the lid, the main grinder body, the catch cup, and the stand. When you put them all together, it's still super compact and won't take much of your counter space. It is slick and good looking. I think it feels well in your kitchen or coffee corner. Let's put some beans in and give it a real test. I'm skipping the weighing for now. I just want to get a sense of the motor and the grinding sound. The lid actually dampens a lot of noise. Official info states these are S2C conical burrs, following the spike and cut approach. Now let's test its espresso capabilities. So the E01 can definitely handle espresso. It's a bit slower than when it's doing pour over, but that's okay, and the result is pretty good. Alright, since we've got the new TIMEMORE Chestnut S3 right here, and it's also rocking those S2C conical burrs like the E01, how about we put them head to head? Let's see if these two grind buddies give us the same vibes. Okay, so both these grinders have those S3C burrs, right? But are they really grinding the same way? Let's find out. We're gonna take a quick peek under the microscope. I know it's not like super scientific, but it's pretty cool to see if the grinds look alike. So, we took apart both grinders to have a closer look at the burrs, and guess what? They're pretty much twins, both using the S2C 890 model. Same size and everything. From what we can tell, they're the same. Putting the E01 back together is a breeze, just like most hand grinders. You just pop the washer back in place, then the spring, followed by the burr, and finally cap it off with this special knob. We're all about loving coffee and not letting any go to waste. So why not put this freshly ground coffee to good use? Let's brew up a tasty pour over. And that wraps up our quick look at the MILLAB E01. Want to dive deeper? Swing by their website for the full scoop. Just a heads up, this one's probably still a prototype, so the final version might be even slicker, though it's pretty impressive as is. Overall, we really like this new electric grinder from MILLAB. E01 has the same conical burr as the TIMEMORE Chestnut S3, and it can grind 60 pour overs per charge, and it's no slouch when it comes to grinding speed. Even handles espresso like a champ. Thinking of grabbing one? Look out for their Indiegogo launch. So what do you think? Could this be the new go-to over a hand grinder? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching and keep grinding.